Let me show you this automated process to make over $10,000 a month of passive income doing next to nothing. First, make an account on Etsy and open up a shop. Then go to Shine On and open up an account. Then click the button that says Link Shine On to your Etsy shop. After you do that, go over to My Products and hit All Products. Then you're going to want to hit Create New Product. And from there, you'll see Shine On's catalog. Now, with Father's Day coming up, I would recommend going with watches or offering these cool dog tags. In any case, you're simply going to add the Shine On product to your Etsy store, and it's very easy to do that through the Shine On website. Now, once your customer purchases from your Etsy shop, it'll be fulfilled through Shine On. And Shine On's a US company, no overseas shipping from China. They have wonderful customer service, fast shipping times, and quality products. And look at the margins. So you can buy it for $19.95 and then sell it for $89.95. That's a net profit of $70 a unit. And if you were to sell 1,000 units, which is actually really obtainable with Father's Day coming up, you would make $70,000. Follow me for more money-making tips.